Welcome to the 5-minute meditation series. I am JBittersweet, and today we're going to do a 5-minute grounding meditation for anxiety and when you feel like you're spinning and losing control. If you need a more in-depth program to help you get started with meditation in an easy and simple way, you may want to check out my Meditation for Beginners course. The link is in the description below. So sit on a chair with your feet planted firmly on the ground. You can easily do this exercise at your desk at work whenever you need a mental break and chance to recreate a feeling of balance and stability. You can close your eyes or keep them open if you don't want anyone to see that you're meditating. Take a deep breath to clear your mind and body of stress and tension. So inhale deeply all the way down into your lower abdomen and exhale fully. Breathe in deeply and breathe out fully. Inhaling fresh new air and exhaling stress and anxiety. Continue to breathe calmly and deeply. Now turn your focus to your feet. Become aware of the sensations in your feet. Notice how firmly they are placed on the solid floor. Feel the steadiness. Let your entire focus be on your feet, sensing through your feet and being mindful of your feet. The hard and steady surface of the ground is transferred into your feet and body, and just having your feet on the floor fills you with a feeling of stability, like you are connected to earth and the earth is keeping you grounded. You can relax. The ground will keep you steady. Knowing that the solid floor keeps you grounded fills you with peace and ease. So let go of your anxiety. You are safe and you are balanced. So breathe in deeply, and as you breathe out, let go of the anxiety that has been building up inside of you. So breathe in peace and breathe out anxiety and stress. Connect with the ground under your feet and know that the ground will keep you steady. keep you balanced and keep you grounded. Breathe calmly and deeply, and focus on your feet, on the steadiness and the stability, making you feel so secure and safe, able to just relax and let go. Then take another deep breath, and if your eyes were closed, slowly open your eyes. You can do this short meditation exercise whenever you begin to feel like you're losing control and need a way to quickly ground and center yourself. Thanks for watching. I am JBittersweet. Be sure to check out my Meditation for Beginners course if you're new to meditation and need a good foundation to get started. The link is in the description below. And then I will see you in the next video. Namaste.